of mine is about the condition of horses and the way that they've been kept in stables and their homes. So for me, I want to show the poor condition that a lot of horses are kept in if they're not race horses, and therefore I wanted to show the overcrowding of horses. So for me, I thought it was important to maybe have a more of an abstract piece with the light shadows behind it, just depicting the poor conditions that they are kept in and the fact that they're all just kept in very confined spaces. So I wanted to really show overcrowding, and therefore I thought that a light projection of the pieces merging together would be the best depiction for the artwork. Hi, I'm K R Nariman. I'm a bronze sculptor and this is my show Interconnect. It's my first solo bronze full sculpture show. It was first shown in Delhi at the Visual Art Gallery at Habitat, then at Jahangir Art Gallery, and now it's at the Hutheesing Art Center. My entire show is basically about the interconnection between human life, animal life and environment life. So for me, environmental consciousness and wildlife preservation is of obscene importance. So all my sculptures here are around those themes, and I'd like to showcase which animals today are dying out, how we can all come together and how we can help conserve them and our environment by being together, all of us. So human beings together with animals, together with the environment, and how we can all build and grow from it. So I welcome all of you to come. Please see my show, which is on till the 16th of March between 12 and 8 p.m. at the Hutheesing Art Center.